Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to Trading Talk episode number 190. In today's episode, one of our senior traders shows you how to use Doji bars in a simple breakout system. The system is backtested across multiple markets and shows some really promising backtest results. Well, we're close to securing another world champion trader as the third speaker for this year's Algo trading conference. We love having the world trading champions on board as they don't just talk the talk, they walk the walk as well, with real verified results, trading real money. This speaker returned over 200% to take out the trophy in the year that they won. Would you like to get those kind of results in your trading? If the answer is yes, and I'm sure it is, then you need to get yourself a ticket to see this world trading champion along with ex-Bloomberg head of technical analysis Trevor Neil and respected pioneer of algo trading Perry Kaufman. In my experience, attendance at our algo trading conference will likely put you 5 to 10 years ahead in your trading, as you'll get to see how the professionals do it. If you'd like to see the full episode 190 and build the model that we show today, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching the video on YouTube. If you enjoy our videos, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get to see more of what you want. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and until next week, all the best with your trading.